Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 6th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir is getting back to its old self. So we are down 89 cents, 6.41%, closed at $13. This is a very bad number. And post-market, we are down 3 cents. So let's look at the damage here. We broke outside of this second steeper channel. So we came outside of it, and we also went back into this first very small bullish channel. So to say the least, this is pretty disappointing. So we are in fact caving under this purple resistance right here. So myself, I am completely out. So I took the profit that was there. So I made money on this move since approximately $12. That's not a lot of profit, but at least it's a profit. I am out of this beast and I'm just going to let it stew a little bit. I don't regret this move. I'm just sorry that the move was not bigger, but that's okay. Let's go see the 1 hour charts. Yesterday, we were right on this channel support, right on it, and stochastic was at 28. So there was some chance that we could be breaking off of this support. So this is what happens. We dropped down to $13 during the first hour and then stayed there for the rest of the day. Stochastic on this 1 hour chart is super low at 6. If you look at my Tesla video, I take a look at the VIX and Dow Jones and everything. So there's definitely a weakening in the market that happened. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic at 59. So we even lost stochastic on the daily chart. So we are at 59. So most likely our green thumb up indicators that have been there since March 16th, most of them are going to have to switch at some point. Everything's possible, but because we are back into this very slow bullish channel, depending on stochastic, we could be going back here until we come back again to 1442, because 1442 is still there to be reckoned with. So 1442 is still a very valid resistance. 1418 also. So we did not break it this time, but if we stay into this small bullish channel, we are going to test it again. And hopefully that time things are going to get a little bit better. So if you are a member, we looked last week at the weekly chart for Palantir, and that weekly chart was not super good, because on the weekly chart, we still have pretty much the same resistance. I put it at 1424 on the weekly chart of Palantir. And look at this, we have stochastic at 23. So to really get a great move on the daily chart, you need to have good signals on the weekly one. So I've said this before. So maybe this is what impacted a little bit what's happening on the daily chart. But the Palantir is going to come back again. We are still into this channel right here. We are into this channel, and unless we come out of it, we should be bouncing on this support right here and trying again the channel resistance. And depending on when we try it again, this would mean that we are trying or testing 1442 again. So maybe we are going to test both at some point in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow. I'm taking some time off, so I won't be there on Friday. So I won't be doing the Tesla and Palantir video on Friday. I won't be doing the special request video, and I won't be doing the Sunday live. But I'm going to be back on Monday to be there with you like I have been for more than 1 year now. this was just a test. I just wanted to see if people would be watching what I would be doing. And I guess you guys are. So thank you for that. Have a great evening. And we are going to talk tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.